Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the wonders of biodiversity. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, a breathtaking array of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms call Earth home. This incredible variety of life in all its forms and interactions is what we call biodiversity. It encompasses every living thing, from the tiniest insects to the largest whales. Biodiversity is the very fabric of our natural world. Imagine a rainforest teeming with colorful birds, playful monkeys, and exotic plants. Picture a coral reef bustling with fish, sharks, and turtles. These vibrant ecosystems are bursting with life, showcasing the beauty and importance of biodiversity. It is this rich tapestry of life that makes our planet so unique and wondrous. Biodiversity is more than just the number of different species on Earth. It also includes the diversity within species, such as the different breeds of dogs or varieties of apples. And it encompasses the diversity of ecosystems, from forests and grasslands to rivers and oceans. All these levels of biodiversity are interconnected and essential for life as we know it. Without biodiversity, our planet would be a very different place. We rely on biodiversity for our food, water, clean air, and countless other benefits. It is our life support system, and its protection is crucial for the well-being of all living creatures, including ourselves. Biodiversity is the foundation of healthy ecosystems. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Think of an ecosystem as a complex web, with each species representing a strand. The more strands there are, the stronger and more resilient the web becomes. Plants, for example, form the base of the food chain, providing energy for herbivores, which in turn support carnivores. Insects and other animals pollinate plants, ensuring their reproduction. Decomposers break down dead organisms, releasing nutrients back into the soil. This intricate web of interactions ensures the smooth functioning of ecosystems. When biodiversity is reduced, ecosystems become more vulnerable to collapse. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects throughout the entire ecosystem. It's like removing a strand from a web. The web may weaken and become more susceptible to tearing. Biodiversity also provides us with essential ecosystem services. Forests, for instance, act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to regulate climate change. Wetlands filter pollutants from water, providing us with clean drinking water. And healthy ecosystems are more resilient to diseases and pests, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Biodiversity is not just essential for nature, it is also crucial for human well-being. We depend on biodiversity for our food, medicine, and countless other products. The vast majority of our food crops, for example, rely on pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. From the clothes we wear to the medicines we take, biodiversity provides us with a wealth of resources. Many medicines are derived from plants, such as aspirin from willow bark and quinine from the cinchona tree. And new discoveries are constantly being made, highlighting the untapped potential of nature's medicine cabinet. Biodiversity also provides us with cultural and recreational benefits. Many cultures around the world have deep-rooted connections to nature, finding spiritual solace and inspiration in the natural world. And activities like hiking, bird-watching, and wildlife photography provide us with opportunities to connect with nature and appreciate its beauty. The economic benefits of biodiversity are also significant. Ecotourism, for instance, generates billions of dollars in revenue worldwide, providing livelihoods for local communities and incentives for conservation, and the sustainable use of biodiversity can create new industries and jobs. Section 4, under threat, the challenges facing biodiversity. Despite its importance, biodiversity is facing unprecedented threats. Habitat loss, pollution, climate change, invasive species, and over-exploitation are all taking a toll on our planet's biodiversity. Deforestation driven by agriculture, logging, and urban sprawl is one of the biggest threats, destroying vital habitats for countless species. Pollution from industrial activities, agriculture, and urban areas is contaminating our air, water, and soil, harming wildlife and ecosystems. Climate change is altering temperature and rainfall patterns, disrupting the delicate balance of nature and threatening species survival. Invasive species, introduced accidentally or intentionally, can outcompete native species, disrupt ecosystems, and spread diseases. And over-exploitation, such as overfishing and illegal wildlife trade, is pushing many species towards extinction. The consequences of biodiversity loss are dire. We are losing species at an alarming rate, with some estimates suggesting we are in the midst of a sixth mass extinction. This loss of biodiversity has far-reaching consequences, threatening our food security, water resources, and even our health. Section 5. Our call to action. Protecting our planet's tapestry. The good news is that it's not too late to act. We can all play a role in protecting biodiversity, from individuals to governments and businesses. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, supporting conservation efforts, and advocating for change, we can make a difference. Reduce your ecological footprint by conserving water and energy, reducing your consumption, and choosing sustainable products. Support organizations working to protect biodiversity through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading awareness. Educate yourself and others about the importance of biodiversity and the threats it faces. Encourage your local representatives to support policies that protect nature and make choices that support sustainable businesses and practices. The future of biodiversity, and indeed our own, depends on the actions we take today. Let us all do our part to protect this precious treasure for generations to come. By working together, we can ensure that our planet remains a vibrant and thriving home for all living creatures. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.